Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to limit who can view a folder or who can have access to a folder in your Google Drive. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and log into your browser. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and come to the top right there, click on Google Apps, then navigate to Drive right here. And straight up, it's going to take you to your Drive right here. Now, you know the kind of folder that you want to restrict the number of people that have access to the folder. Go ahead and locate the folder on your Google Drive. Like, for instance, this particular folder right here, I'm going to use as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the folder. Click on the folder to open the content of the folder. So having opened up the folder right here, I have this particular folder right here. Next thing you want to do to restrict access to the folder, go ahead and click on these three dots right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to folder information, then go ahead and click on security limitations. Then it's going to open like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on manage access. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on anyone with the link. Go ahead and click on restrict. Once you restrict, go ahead and click on done. And you have secure and lock the folder. So anyone that want to have access to the folder, they will have to get the permission from you before they can have access to the folder. Whoever have the link to this folder will not be able to view it without your personal permission. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.